The swivel base assembly consists of a new base, the locking pads, and the locking handles and bolts. The kit solves many of the common vise problems. The base and locking pads have teeth that mesh together to lock the vise in place so it can't rotate. Over time, the teeth can wear out. The locking handles and bolts are tightened to secure the locking pads to the base. The threads in the nuts and on the bolts can eventually wear out. Installing a new swivel base assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the two locking handles and separating the top half of the vise from the base. Now I can begin installing the new swivel base assembly. I'll assemble the new bolts to the new locking pads that came in the kit. I want to install these so that the teeth are pointing up. Now I can reassemble the two halves of the vise. And to do this, I'm going to turn the vise upside down. First, I'll align the base with the shoulder on the vise. Next, the locking pad and bolt assemblies. And again, the teeth should mesh with the teeth on the base. And now I'll begin to reinstall the locking handles. Once the handles are tight, I can go ahead and flip the vise back over.